Do you have a plan for your business? And I'm not talking about a philosophical, strategic plan that you wrote ages ago and haven't looked at since. I'm talking about a here and now action plan that lays out clear targets and the steps you'll follow to achieve them. Here's how this works. In advance, you'll be asked to think about your long-term goals, where you'd like the business to take you and what you want it to do for you over the next 5 years. At the workshop, you'll step outside the day-to-day of your business to think ahead and plan. Being off-site will give you a new perspective so you can see the path forward more clearly. You'll be able to workshop your ideas with other business owners and learn from their industries and experience. By the time you leave, you'll have broken your big picture goals into realistic, targeted actions that will move you measurably closer to achieving those big goals. I invite you to invest this 1 day per quarter working on your business so you can work more efficiently through the months ahead. Let's find out what your business can achieve in just 90 days.